Wagwan guys, Wagwan, welcome to another video.
Hi guys. You straighten up your neck a little bit, babes.
It's alright man, my neck not straight.
No, I want to say, oh, I go on. Like, straighten up your neck, man.
No man, it look alright man. Guys, you know look alright. It's alright man. Big up on yourself guys, big up on yourself. Today we have a fun video. You know the one I'm called Two Truth
And a lie.
and a Lie. You see me I say we have to decipher which one of the statement are the lie. You see where I come from? So that's what we'll be doing today.
Let's see how much we know each other.
Not all y'all liars, so I don't know which one of them we are going. Which one of them?
I wish lie me tell you that you know some me a liar. Look at this man.
I don't know if I ever figure out them one. You see me I say?
Oh wow.
Straight. But before we get in the video.
Straight no. Your neck. There we go.
Yeah.
Guys.
Before we get in the video, we want to say congratulations to the Carter family.
Yes, congrats.
Straight. Chrissy and
Such a
CMR
blessing.
had their baby. So congrats. And we want to give a big shout out to Trending Boss family.
Yes.
First pop star to join our membership. Big up yourself, Trending
Big
Boss.
up on yourself.
Straight. And our pop stars, we want to say big up on yourself. Welcome back. We're not gonna love that video. And for those of you who haven't subscribed to Poppy Show yet, make sure you subscribe. You're gonna love it. You see me I say?
And smash that notification bell.
Yeah, smash the notification bell. Hey guys, before we go any further, we have a 3-part series. Well, we did it right, a 3-part series. It's called For Better Not Worse, and it's crazy good.
Yeah.
For those of you who recently subscribed and haven't seen that series, check it out. I'll put a link somewhere on the video.
Yeah.
For you guys, but check it out. It's
You
very
guys
very
don't
good.
want to miss it, trust me.
Definitely,
It's
it
that
is
good.
very very good. So yeah, we're gonna get in this video. Two truths and a lie. You ready, honey?
Hey,
Who will
ready
go
as
first?
can be.
Who will go first?
You can go first.
Rock paper scissors first. Let's see who will go first.
I don't know how to do this rock paper scissors. You always want me to do it. I don't know how to do it.
Just come up with one of them. With a rock paper or
Okay,
scissors. Just
all
do one.
right.
Rock paper scissors shoot.
Oh.
All right, come in. Rock paper scissors shoot. Rock paper scissors shoot.
So that means I
You
cut
won,
you.
yeah.
Oh, okay.
So you want to go first or you want me to go first?
Then I'll be a win, so I must need to go first.
Oh, you get to tell who go first, isn't it?
All right, I'll go first.
All right, she'll go first, guys.
So, I've had my toes sucked before, or I've always wanted to pierce my nipples. I've only had one birthday party.
The freaky edition this. Nipples what? Pierce or stuck?
I've always wanted to pierce my nipples. I've had my toes sucked before. I've only had one birthday party.
I don't know about the toe sucking part, guys. If that's sucked before, I know me suck it, so I don't know if that's a true or a lie.
Maybe when he was drunk.
Me? But me never drunk yet. I don't me that, guys. And which other one? Nipples pierce?
I've always wanted to pierce my nipples.
What me tell you? Which one a lie?
So you're gonna tell me which one
And the lie.
is the
Lie.
Is the lie?
The lie is...
No, you're gonna tell me which one is the truth.
No, I'm on a two truth and a lie. So we have to tell you which one is the lie. Or we have to tell you.
Oh, okay.
Are we right? 2 lie and 1 truth?
Hold on, let me see. Oh, but me read me do it backwards. Me put 2 truths.
Yeah, 2
So
truth
you
and a
tell me
lie.
which one I lie?
Yeah.
Oh. Okay.
So 2 lie you have, but I tell you, man. Pure lie. That 2 lie you have, but
No. I have 2 truth and 1 lie.
you come like she right for your question.
No man. Tell me the lie. Which one are the lie?
The lie, whenever you talk about a party, so I feel like you probably had 1 party if you ever have any. So that's true.
Okay.
Toe suck. You probably have your toe suck.
Cause
Yeah,
what?
she probably had her toe suck before. And I mean,
Cause
you know
what?
guys, right? And I
That's
mean,
what.
because you look like you like them thing there. But the lie are the nipple one. So you always want. But I don't think you always want to get a nipple pierced.
You're right.
Yeah, man, for real, man. See me, I tell you.
What kind of nipple spears? Never, but of course I've gotten my toes sucked before.
A good thing she get it before.
But you know what though? It was pleasure for the other party, but it wasn't for me. I got no enjoyment in that though.
Wow. Okay. Alright, enough of that. We never know how the freak edition.
It never gets steamy.
My one come like it's a Bible class compared to them the question then. Alright, my question now is first statement is I got a girl pregnant before. I had one girlfriend throughout my entire high school life. And when I was younger, people used to say I look like Fresh Prince.
Fresh who?
Fresh Prince of
Will Smith?
Yeah.
People used to say you look like Will Smith?
Yeah. But no, it's not lie, man. Because Will Smith can't look like the general, you know what I mean? But them used to say that, you know what I mean? Beauty in the eye.
He was handsome when he was younger though.
Yeah, but not like me.
Maybe not like you,
Yeah,
but he was still handsome though.
Yeah, man, alright, man. But they never look like me. But them used to say that, you know what I mean? I know we're dispute.
Okay, so which one is the lie?
Yeah. So I got a girl pregnant before me know you.
And you want to tell me that?
No, man,
After so many years.
and everything good for talk.
Really?
Really. And I had one girlfriend throughout my entire high school life. You don't know, man, I got it.
That I can't believe.
What do you mean you can't believe that?
That because only you always go like you was a wild boy. You wasn't no wild boy. Stop. Make people just feel like
just answer the question. Because right now, sharp piece me.
You were not no wild boy. Stop it.
Wow.
So that I can't
I wish you know about me, guys.
No, that's the truth. You had one girlfriend throughout high school.
We'll see which one I lie. Which one talk?
And then, what Will Smith?
Yeah.
No, the people that must have done doing something.
Yeah, got you guys. Will Smith not half handsome like the general.
But then, pregnant, are you not? No, sir, that's a lie. That's a lie.
What, the pregnant one?
Yes, that's a lie.
That's your final answer?
Final answer.
Yeah, that one I lie for you.
Okay.
But
Better be like, come here, so come to never tell me that.
You couldn't believe that the
Talk
girlfriend.
about almost everything, so that is something would expect you to.
It
should have come up in a one conversation at least one time in this how many years we've been together.
The things that she have said like a gallus like me could have never have one girl throughout the whole of high school.
Gallus. You're a good boy, honest. Stop make it seem like say
alright, enough of that, enough of that.
Some gangster and stuff. You're a good boy, man.
Probably you never heard of me.
Oh please. You wanna be, man.
Alright, you're one. Go on through.
Alright, so my favorite teacher in high school was Miss Charmaine Longeth. I spent the first day in high school in the principal's office. They made me clean out the girls' bathroom in high school as punishment.
Clean out girls' bathroom? Like who make it a teacher?
As punishment. And my favorite teacher in high school was Miss Charmaine Longeth. And I spent the first day in high school in the principal's office.
You're talking about Miss Longeth already. But I don't know if she's your favorite, but I think she was your dance teacher. Okay, yeah. So that's true. I think that's true. Because she loved dance back in the them time there. I'm here to leave them call already. And which other one again? No, you got principal office first day. You tell me that in one of the in the never have I ever.
One of them.
Never have I ever video, guys.
I
Yeah,
remember things, man.
she said she first day at school, guys. Like this again, I never forgot school. Principal office first day. Really?
Why did you just call me girl?
You are going like one though. What you doing at principal office first day at school?
You're a bad girl, man.
You see? She a bad girl.
No, guys, not anymore.
The last,
You're a good girl.
the last one I was again. The clean out.
They made me clean out the girls' bathroom in high school.
Yeah, but that one that probably lie. Cause that's another school that like a prison. That would make you. I work at a school that make them clean out the whole bathroom. No, that one that lie. That one I'm not going.
You're right.
Yeah, that's what a weird was time. It was the school them bad, but John was clean out bathroom. That one the rough.
Me not clean none. Me, you mad?
Alright,
Me
next
not
one.
my punishment, but not with no bathroom.
Alright. I was married when I lived in England.
Okay.
Really?
Okay, sorry.
So I became married.
Never said that. Oh, keep going.
I had a crush on one of my high school teachers when I was in high school. You know what I mean? Hot. My first gold chain was from a girlfriend. Back in them time, they don't want to do the thing real way. Girl, I sort out the thing. So, I was married when I lived in England. I had a crush on a high school teacher when I was in high school. And my first gold chain was from a girlfriend.
Well, it's possible. It's possible you could have a crush on your high school teacher. So that could be that are true.
That true?
That are true. Gold chain. How much should I get money from to buy you gold chain?
Anyway,
That's in high school?
Yeah. Anyway, she find it from.
So, and married in England, I mean I know about that.
She feel like we tell her everything, guys. You know what I mean?
Maybe the girl buy your chain. Maybe it's our uncle chain to teeth and give you. So maybe that's true.
Just I hate
you just think she buy it, but I could steal, she stole it and gave it to you. So whatever. But married in England, that's a lie. One wife and one wife only.
That me tell her, guys. That me tell her.
Me alone wear the ring.
Okay. Yeah, that's not a lie. Never married.
But married which part? Crazy.
Alright, your one.
Alright. So I snuck out of the house and went to a party when I was younger. I had sex in a park. I almost drowned at a beach.
John, no.
Dum, dum.
No, I believe you have no sex on a park still. Whatever they're drawing on the beach.
Why you know? Really, honey?
What?
What did me join that beach? What are they sorry now with you?
Let me find out you have sex in that park and have it there so with me. Did.
But I never knew you then. So that's okay.
Well, I don't want to hear that. Alright. So which one? What the first one?
I snuck out of the house and went to a party when I was little.
Yeah, that's possible. And you have sex in a park and you almost drown?
At the beach.
John was there. I know, but you say you almost drowned. I don't know if you have almost drowned. Well, you definitely might tell me say you have no sex in a park. But she never tell me say she have sex in a park, but she not tell me say she almost drowned. So I'll go with the almost drowned. I don't think she did almost drown, but I think she probably all out and telling me about the sex in the park. You know what I mean? So the lie is you almost drowned.
True.
So you have sex in a park?
Yes.
Which park? Jamaica or over here?
Here, over here.
Oh, in Jamaica, now in the park you can have sex in. Probably in a bush in a country.
Yeah.
You have sex in a bush in a country?
No, not bush. No.
But you did bad enough.
And trust me, it was good too. You should try it one day. We could try it. We could have our own version.
So you go try it with somebody else in the park and me go try it with you?
Why not? So you want to try it with somebody else?
Or you go try it with somebody else?
Come, I never knew you yet, my youth.
Well, I pretend I never know you. I don't want to talk about the sex in the park. Next
Come on,
question.
we can't try it, man. No, seriously, don't.
Alright, I'm sure.
Babes.
Hmm?
For real still.
Yeah, we'll go after this. Alright, so my one. You see the teacher that I had a crush on in high school? I dated her after I left high school.
Okay.
Right? I was caught at a woman's house by her boyfriend. And I had sex with a girl that I tutored. Like the girl, she come from a tutor, and one thing led to another, you know what I mean? 1 + 1 equal not 2.
So which way did you tutor her at? Where?
But ends. So the high school teacher that I had a crush on, I dated her after high school. And I was caught at at a girl's house where a man come catch me. And I had sex with a girl that I used to tutor. Men already the same age with guys. No matter if you like someone like a high school girl, me a big man, I go tutor her and that. You know, them time the man I do my thing, you know what I mean?
So you tutor somebody. So, well, you know them girls stay still, you know, they say they want tutoring, but I really something else they want tutoring in. So, not really put on the past that.
You know, them couldn't resist me.
Or you couldn't resist them.
Well,
Takes two to tango. Stop going like say you're innocent.
Well,
but
she initiated.
But anyways.
So which one?
That could be true. That's true.
The tutor one are true?
Yeah, that's a true.
Okay.
The other one where you say, what was the second one?
A girl man come catch me.
Girl man come catch you. I'm gonna put nothing past no man still enough, so.
I know when you man want to the girl, not for your man.
Me not put them words, me not put nothing past enough, so that can be true. So that are true. But I don't think you did date no teacher where you did have crush pan. That's a lie.
What do you know, man? For real, that one down the line.
But that was true.
That one down the line.
Yeah.
So the girl, I'm going to do a story time for a girl man the way they come catch me.
Oh wow.
I wanted the drastic guys.
Yeah.
Isn't it?
Mm-hmm. More you that one day.
Straight. More.
You never tell me that one day, okay? You always go like you have goody two shoes.
That, we can't talk about that now after how much years, you know what I mean? Them time there,
so
never too
tell
safe.
me that before?
I'm going to tell you, man. I'm going to tell you on a story time.
Oh wow.
Next one.
Alright. Last but not least, I smoked weed when I was in high school. My high school teacher had a crush on me. My mom doesn't know I had a miscarriage when I was 19.
What? You smoke weed? Your high school teacher had a crush on you? And your mom never knows you had a miscarriage when you're 19? If you see your mother would have known that still, because I don't see why you hold that from your mother. But the weed one, you probably would have smoked some weed too, you know. Yeah, that one that's true. Wait, which one is the second one?
Second one,
high school teacher had a crush on you? I didn't tell you that? I didn't tell you?
Yeah.
That means that's true then.
Why you have to do that? That's stealing.
So,
that's not fair.
The weed one on the line. The weed one.
Man. You just tricked me into giving you my answer. That's not fair.
So the teacher have a crush on you, have a real one?
That's not fair though.
Wow.
You ask me a question in my stuff.
But you can answer your own question.
But you should have asked me my question though.
Yeah, try to feel out the thing. You see me, you should have just catch up on it, isn't it?
I'm with me, idiots.
Trust me. Alright, my last one. So, one of my ex was my mom's best friend.
Come again?
One of my ex them, she was my mother's best friend. Like, me and her are the same age and everything, but she grew to be my mother's best friend, you know what I mean?
While we were married, they were still
no,
best friends?
man, back in them time, the man, you know what I mean? They were best friends. Oh, you mean like after, I don't know if them still communicate after that, but yeah, one of my ex.
No, answer, were they still in
I don't know after that, after me and you got together, you know what I mean? Because I don't link her, and my mother never used to have argument with me about them things. You see me, I come from something I don't know. And as a juvenile, like, you know, the man I turned man, you know, I was 16, 17, my father used to buy me my 1 Guinness a weekend time, you don't know. You see me, man, I touch the street and you know, so you're alright, so the boss used to just get me my 1 Guinness and everything, you see me. And also, as a juvenile, 16, 17, I bust out of the pack, you know, my mother used to make sure so we have the condom them stock, you see me, because you don't know, man, in the street, and she said, boy, safety first, you get me? So, which one of them do you think I like? Father used to buy me a 1 Guinness.
Condom, that's true, because, you know, mommy always start to know out and yeah. That are true. Yes, that are true.
Yeah.
The second one was which one? About drinking? What one they go?
My father used to make sure so we get a 1 Guinness all up on the weekend, you don't know.
Why?
Father buy we a 1 Guinness, man. So you turn man, you know, see a juice, see it.
No, Paul drink still, but I think Paul would have gone to liquor for drink. Let me see. And the first one, you said mommy was best friend with one of your ex. No, Sammy, I want a best friend. Me on the best friend, not my mother-in-law, so that a lie. That a lie, I never hear mommy talk about none of your ex.
What should I ever tell you? Why should I tell you that?
Me mommy I saw. Mommy, now you must be mad. That a lie. Mommy they in her grave, you know, I laugh and I say, I want to buy you out. That a lie. Not my mother-in-law, you must be mad.
Yes, so that never happened?
That never happened. Could have never happened. Me are the only one, the best daughter-in-law ever for a relationship. It's like, oh my God, cannot be compared.
Alright, enough. You don't want that line. Don't want that line.
Okay. You better come with a go right to Jamaica right now, go dig her up.
Straight. So that one down the line. So we get what? All of them right? We don't get none wrong. Which one we get wrong? Me not get none wrong. You must get one wrong. Me not get none wrong.
Alright, when we replay the video, when we edit, we will see.
No, me not get none wrong. She must get one wrong.
Me not get none wrong, you know?
So you have to for replay.
I think I get one wrong, man.
Me not get none wrong. What your question then? Let me see.
You get one wrong, man.
Mm-hmm. Me get the first one right.
That right.
Mm-hmm.
That right.
Mm-hmm.
That right.
Mm-hmm.
Weed. I weeded it, sir? Yeah. Yeah, because you con me at the last one.
No corner. Me get the whole of them right, guys. You see me?
And I got all of mine right too.
Straight. I guess we know each other. We know we know when we are tell lie. I guess that's a good thing. You get me?
Yeah.
But it was cool. 2 truth, 1 lie.
Except you never tell me about
Oh,
you got a woman here, that man catch your woman.
Mr. That's gonna be our story time, guys. That was sick. Believe me.
No, I don't like that because that's something me feel like me should have did.
I'm gonna tell her first, and then we do the story time. See me I say. But it was fun, guys. It was absolute fun doing this. We hope you enjoy it. And we want to leave us some comments. You know what I mean? Tell us what y'all thought about this. Tell us which one of the questions were your favorite. You know what I mean? Leave us a bag of comment. Make we know what to think about it. You understand me I say? And as always, we really, really appreciate all the love and the support. All the pop stars, big up on yourself. Thank you guys for supporting us, right? And as we said, we have the membership going on now. As soon as we get like about 10 members, we're gonna start going live. Members on the live stream, we're probably gonna play games, have like couples discussions, things like that. So join the membership, guys. Join the membership. You know what I mean? Support the movement and let's do this thing major.
And the merch them.
And the merch them.
Over Teespring.
Merch them are going. We're having a giveaway on January 29th. To enter the giveaway, make sure you
follow.
Go over to Instagram, PoppyShowJA, find that post, like the post, tag a friend, and
you can tag as many friends. It just has to be in a
separate lines.
Yeah.
And you'll enter that drawing. It's gonna be a Poppy Show hoodie, right? After whoever win, we'll get that information in terms of size and stuff like that.
Yard or abroad.
Get that sent off. You know what I mean? So. It was absolute fun, guys, as always. Big up on yourself. We love you. And until next time, we're out.
We're out. Peace. You don't know the usual. The neck can't turn. Bye, guys.